So, my friends, Gateway Institute of Superior Services, GISS, will help you in this all. We will provide you comprehensive guidance as to how to prepare for Central Superior Services, CSS, PMS, or other government assignments. And I think me and my colleague General Azim Asif, we are fairly qualified for that. Both of us have been members Federal Public Service Commission, and in our 3 years tenure, each one of us conducted more than 10,000 interviews, including that of CSS aspirants and so many other government positions, starting from BS 16 to BS 21. You go by our advice, you listen to what we tell you, and you work hard and commit yourself, and I promise you, you will qualify. We'll make you qualify. Inshallah. Inshallah. Take care. Good day, all of you. Thank you.